Jai Hind students, today we will discuss about charge. And in this topic we will cover some definitions like charge. First one is charge. Second one is types of charge. Third, units of charge. And next, dimensional formula of charge. And next, 1 coulomb. Definition of 1 coulomb. Charge, types of charge, units of charge, dimensional formula, and definition of 1 coulomb. And last one is electronic charge. What is electronic charge? Electronic charge. So we will discuss all of these definitions and formula one by one. Now let's start with the definition of charge. So what is charge? If we talk about charge, a charge is a subatomic particle property. A charge is a subatomic particle property that a charge is a subatomic particle property that helps to experience a force when it placed in an electric field. So अगर हम इसे अच्छे से समझना चाहें, बिल्कुल सिंपल भाषा में, विद इन अ सिंपल लैंग्वेज, सो लेट मी ड्रॉ अ चार्ज और कंसीडर अ चार्ज. और इस चार्ज का जो फील्ड है वो हमने ड्रॉ कर लिया. दिस इज द फील्ड. इफ एनी अदर टेस्ट चार्ज लाइक Q0, यदि हम इस टेस्ट चार्ज को इस फील्ड के अंदर लेके जाएं या इसके पास लेके जाएं तो ये एक्सपीरियंस करेगा एक तरह का फोर्स. हम जिसे कह सकते हैं रिपल्सन फोर्स और अट्रैक्शन फोर्स. दिस इज ओनली डिपेंड्स ऑन द टाइप ऑफ चार्ज. इफ दिस टेस्ट चार्ज brought near to this field, it will experience a repelling force because the test charge is always positive charge. अगर हम इस टेस्ट चार्ज को इस फील्ड के पास लाते हैं तो ये एक तरह का फोर्स एक्सपीरियंस करता है और जैसे ही ये इसकी सतह के पास पहुंचता है तो इसे एकदम से फोर्स एक्सपीरियंस होता है कि कोई मुझे धक्का दे रहा है, जो अपने फील्ड से बाहर जाने के लिए कह रहा है। तो जैसे ही ये चार्ज को हम और आगे ले जाएंगे तो हमें और ज़्यादा कार्य यानी और ज़्यादा वर्क की ज़रूरत पड़ेगी, जिससे ये चार्ज हम इसके और ज़्यादा नियर ले जा सकें। तो चार्ज एक ऐसा, ये जो टेस्ट चार्ज है एक ऐसा फोर्स एक्सपीरियंस करता है जो कि डिपेंड करता है दूसरे चार्ज की प्रॉपर्टी पर या टाइप्स पर। इसे हम कहते हैं चार्ज। और ये जो है चार्ज वो केवल और केवल इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड की वजह से या उसकी वजह से फोर्स लगता है तभी वो एक्सपीरियंस करेगा। ठीक है, ओके। नेक्स्ट, चार्ज इज denoted by capital Q or small q. If we write about charge quantity, then we have to write capital Q or small q, and it is scalar quantity. Scalar quantity. Scalar quantity means if we adding or subtracting the charge quantity, the charge value, then we have to add with its sign if it is positive or negative, then it is called scalar quantity. So we say that charge is a scalar quantity. Now next is type of charge. Type of charge. There are two types of charge. First one is positive and second one is negative charge. Negative charge. Long years ago, one of the famous scientists, Benjamin Franklin, had performed many experiment on the charge, and he got some conclusion that charge, there are two types of charge, positive and negative. If there is a deficiency of electron in any substance, then it is called deficiency of electron in any substance, then it is called positive charge. Or if there are excess of electron, it is called negative charge. It is called negative charge. And positive means proton, also known as proton, and negative charge is also known as electron. And the charge of positive or proton is equal to 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 coulomb. Positive. And the negative charge minus यानी negative 1.6 into 10 to the power minus की 19 coulomb. This is the value of charge on proton and on electron. Proton on electron. So the deficiency of electron we can say positive or proton, and the excess of electron we can say इलेक्ट्रॉन और नेगेटिव चार्ज। सो इस पूरी कहानी को अच्छे से समझने के लिए हम एक एग्जांपल लेते हैं और इसको अच्छे से समझते हैं। वी नो दैट दिस इज एटम एंड दिस इज न्यूक्लियस। In the atoms there is a nucleus, and in the nucleus there is a proton and a neutron. Positive proton has a positive charged proton, positive charge value, and neutron is neutral, there is no charge, neutral. And the negatively charged electron revolves around its orbit, this all about atom structure. In this structure there is a nucleus, and in the nucleus proton and neutron and negatively charged electron revolves around the outer orbit. If there are two objects, first A and second one is B, both objects are rubbing each other. Let me draw. If there are 4 electron and here 3 electron, when we rubbed two bodies, then electron transfer from one body to the other. If there are deficiency of electrons, because one electron or two electron transfer from this body to this body, so here deficiency of electron, so it is called positive, and this body is gain of electron or receiving electron, so it is excess of electron, so it is called negative. It is called positive and it is called negative, because there is a deficiency of electron, and in this body excess of electrons. Now next, units of charge. Units of charge. The SI unit of charge is coulomb, and it is denoted by C, capital C. Charge, as we know that charge equal to current into multiply by time. So charge Q equal to current I and T. This is the formula of charge. And dimensional formula equal to charge denoted as A in dimensionally and T capital T. So we write this A1 and T to the power 1. This is the dimensional formula. Now next is 1 coulomb. What is 1 coulomb? Now from here, from this formula, if any conductor 1 coulomb current flows in a conductor for 1 second. 1 coulomb current flows to the conductor for 1 second. For 1 second, the charge flowing in that conductor is called 1 coulomb. Now next is electronic charge. What is electronic charge? The maximum charge 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 coulomb is called electronic charge. Maximum charge on the electron is 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 coulomb is called electronic charge. So students, today discussed charge, types of charge, units, dimensional formula, 1 coulomb and electronic charge. If you like this video, then please share, subscribe YouTube channel. Thank you all.